Hi, welcome to Delicious Dishes by Dianna. I'm Dianna and welcome to my small kitchen. Tonight for our supper, we're going to have baked sweet potatoes. And to put on those delicious baked sweet potatoes, I'm going to make some compound butter, which is butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. It's going to be fabulous. Let me show you how I do this.
First thing you want to do is wash your sweet potatoes really well. I have a scrub brush and I'm washing them under warm water. If you see any imperfections, you can just take those off. I like to rub a little bit of oil on the outside skin of my sweet potatoes. I'm going to use some grapeseed oil. Coat it really well on the outside. Just keeps them from drying out a little bit. It also helps to make them a little bit crunchier. The skins are much crunchier. I'm going to sprinkle them with a little bit of salt. Just turn them over a little bit and get each side real well. Set it to bake, and this is my air fryer. I'm going to start out at 30 minutes, test them, and then add additional time if necessary. While those are baking, let's make some of my cinnamon brown sugar butter. Here's my brown sugar. My butter is melted. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons of brown sugar. And I have crackers in my brown sugar to keep it from clumping together. I have cinnamon. I'm going to sprinkle that in there. Let's give it a good stir. And just a touch of vanilla extract. Pour this into a container and refrigerate until the sweet potatoes are ready. I'm going to check them now. And no, they're a little bit hard in the center, so I'm going to have to add some additional time. About 15 more minutes. After the 15 minutes was up, by the magic of television, they are ready. I split the potato down the middle. The butter has solidified slightly. I'm going to put a couple of scoops of the cinnamon butter on the hot sweet potato, and it's going to start to melt. Look at that. It's gorgeous, beautiful color.
Now we're going to give this a bite. I'm going to take a bite. Oh, it smells so good in here. Sweet potatoes. Oh my goodness, they're so good for you. Let me turn my microwave off. Ooh, yum. Thank you for joining me today in my small kitchen, Delicious Dishes by Dianna. I hope you have a great day today. Shine for Jesus in all you do. Be blessed, and thank you, God, for good food.